picture around here. I'll do my best here to kind of position you guys what part of the bridge here. You guys hear all the noise coming out from the tower here? That's called the south tower off my left-hand side in the middle. Right-hand side, the north tower. One thing unique about the Golden Gate here, you probably won't see too many today here. You can walk across the bridge, ride your bicycles on the bridge here. Free to do so. If you wish to enter San Francisco on automobile, $9 to come in the city. The Golden Gate Bridge has over 80,000 miles of cables on the bridge. It has over 80,000 miles of cables on the bridge, long enough to go around the equator 3 times. Engineer says the Golden Gate Bridge can withstand winds up to 100 miles an hour. For a month, the suicide on the bridge, 98% of people who jump off. Put safety net on both sides. When people do jump off the bridge, guess what? They're not going to land in the water, they're supposed to land in the net. Final cost was $35 million. This bridge took 25 million man-hours to build. We lost a total of 11 people building this bridge here. One true fact about the Golden Gate, never ever complete. Okay, we're going to go down a little bit here. I'm going to angle the boat for you guys in the back here for the north tower here. You'll see some of the tower here. That's our best bed here to get a nice picture of the bridge here. Fall through. I'll go down, I'll hang out, and Steve will let you know once everybody gets a nice picture, group picture here, that we're going to zoom over to Alcatraz. 1934 to 1936.